Hey everybody, Jay here and welcome to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to be doing a clean with me, tidy up, speed clean, call it whatever you want to call it. But it's some things that I need to get done around the house, so let's get started. Okay, so it was time for me to clean this toilet here. This is a brand new toilet. We haven't even had it for no more than a month and a half. But I knew that the pee had gotten underneath the toilet seat. Even though I pretty much every other day clean the toilet, but I needed to clean and take off the toilet seat, because it is mighty nasty. I am sure of that. Look at how this is looking. And like I said, this is a brand new toilet. We haven't even had it for very long. But you see, pee got underneath that toilet seat. So it was time to clean it. So let's clean it. So my shower was starting to drain just a little bit slow. So I needed to use some tools here. As you can see, I get the Phillips screwdriver, I got the plunger, a bag, and a towel to help undrain or unclog this shower. Oh my, look at how this tub is looking. This is another thing that I do regular maintenance on, but as you can see, it continues to get dirty because we're always using it. And so let's clean it. Once a week, along with all the other laundry, I clean the things that are in the bathroom, like the shower curtain, the shower liner, and the rug. Look at how this filter is looking to the vacuum cleaner. Time to tidy this up and clean it up as well. Not too long ago, I cleaned and disassembled the entire vacuum cleaner. But as you can see, you have to do maintenance. So it was time for me to get to cleaning the filter and cleaning the liner and rinsing out everything because it was just filthy. Well, I hope that you guys were motivated to do some cleaning around your house. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Be sure to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if this is the type of content that you like. And I'll see you guys in the next one.